is yours.
Congratulations, you made it this far. You didn't give up with the whole nation against you. They even take medicine from you, raised you feel too, but got cool, beat too. They going to hell if you ask me, no excuse. Love, murder, move, the answer is simple. What if that was you and the shoe was on the other foot? Africans just as cute and talented, but they would rather have the truth in the booth with his troops. Marcus was hating true, but Intrigue wanted me to do go too. When I was staying out Fleetwood, so Coke had the 2. Marlo had the 38 special and shotgun, but Manny had guns too. EB used to drink Remy, and my wife Truth wanted me to go to college, wanted me to do good, but I gotta be serious, I need a new attitude. Congrats, I see you're a real rapper with real stacks. Congrats, I see you're a real rapper with real women that are stacked. Congrats, I see you're a junior mafia that kills rats. Congrats, you're a real street cat. Congrats, I see you're a real rapper with real stacks. Congrats, I see you're a real rapper with real women that are stacked. Congrats, fat cat. Straight from an alley at P.at. White stuff in my hand, but not crack. But they sellin' boot like crack. The new pandemic, where the coronavirus at? Where the MC at? He brightens up the city like city lights. Rapping with all my might. Hercules, 2 guns released like an O. And an orgy on the couch under I get the shotty. A part in my head, now dread swinging in the air like my chain, Jesus with the head. Congrats, I see you a real rapper with real stacks. Congrats, I see you a real rapper with real women that are stacked. Congrats, I see you a junior mafia that kills rats. Congrats, you're a real street